So guess what, guys? We got another mystery box from VOIP Supply. So let me tell you a little bit about what is in this box and what I think you guys are in for today. So I am Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, for those of you who don't know. About 3 weeks back, I called one of my good buddies over at VOIP Supply, the director of marketing, and I said, hey, could you do me a huge favor and could you send me over what you guys believe to be, based on sales volume and popularity, the top 2 or 3 or however many you've got touch screen IP phones for 2020. So for those of you who have or have not been to my channel, just to kind of sum it up for you, as you know, we have a great relationship with VOIP Supply. They send me free stuff all the time to do product reviews for you guys. You know, pros and cons on different things, IP phones, sometimes headsets, accessories, you name it. And I thought to myself, we've never actually done any videos on any touchscreen phones. I think we may have done one here and there, but we've never actually done like a top whatever this is. So in short, I'm not actually really sure what's in this box. I have an idea because as you guys know, I work with voice over IP carriers and people for their phone systems all across the United States. So I'm aware of kind of what's hot and what's not in the IP phone, touchscreen compatible arena, but I don't actually know what's in this box. So we're going to jump into this box and see what VOIP Supply actually sent me that they deem as, the top touchscreen phones for 2020. Even though this is going to be just kind of a mystery box reveal, I am going to do a hands-on in-depth review in the future on both of these phones, pros and cons separately, and we are going to do a top, I guess depending on how many we've got here, we're going to do a top XYZ, whatever number we come up with, touchscreen phones for 2020 in an upcoming video. So don't forget to frequent the channel and come back to see when we do that actual video. So let's see what's actually inside this box. Guys, I got this feeling whatever must be in here must be either super expensive or super delicate or both. This box was so freaking difficult to get in, to cut through all the layers of tape that I had here. First I tried my scissors, then I tried my keys, then I tried my scissors and my keys, and then I ended up having to resort to this to actually get into this box. So let's see what we got into the box before I pull everything out and we actually assemble some stuff and show you guys what we got here. Looks like we got a Yealink phone. Oh boy, you think I cut a little too deep there with the butcher knife? She should be okay. Let's get that out of here. There. Looks like we've got a Yealink SIP T56A smart business IP phone. We'll come back to that and see what it is. And it looks like we've got another one in there. Let's pause that so I can dig that out of there and we'll see. Okay, so look at this, guys. This is something different that I've never seen before. So first of all, it's a Yealink phone. For those of you who have been to my channel and seen the many current and future upcoming reviews that I do on IP phones and accessories, you know we love some Yealink in this office. As a matter of fact, I actually use a Yealink desk phone and one of the most popular Yealink cordless phones, as you can see over there. But check this out. Ultra elegant gigabit IP phone. What's weird about that? Obviously not the gigabit IP phone part, ultra elegant. I'll say that again. Ultra elegant. I've never seen that on a box for any IP phone or any voice over IP accessory in my life. So this is going to be interesting to see what's ultra and elegant about this phone. So we're going to save the best for last, and we're going to do the ultra elegant phone last. First, let's see what this SIP T56A smart business phone is all about. Oh wow, will you look at this, you guys. So I think I know what phone this is. Does this move back and forth? No, it does not. So this again is the SIP T56A. I've actually seen this phone before but I don't want to make the call on which phone I think it is until I see what the other one is in the box, because I think the Ultra Elegant one is newer. This phone I have seen before, but we're going to open up the other one and see what that's all about. Obviously, this is a touch screen. You can see that it's compatible with Microsoft Teams, which that's actually really cool. I've got it connected to the internet and it was asking to do like a Microsoft Teams like software firmware update. It looks like it's even got the date and time updated and correct, so she is definitely online. Let's see what's in the other box as well, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I've got the Ultra Elegant one, as it was labeled on the box, plugged up now. As you can see here, it's doing a little welcome screen, and it's moving into its, whatever boot process it has. I know which one these are now, so let me give you guys kind of a quick rundown synopsis. This one here is actually the older of the two. I have actually had literally dozens and dozens of customers that have contacted me that already either had this ultra elegant gigabit IP phone T48S. That's what you can refer this one to is the T48S. I've had many customers that have already had this on hand and have contacted me looking for a VoIP provider that supports it and also meets their business needs. Or I have had many people that call me up that say, hey, I did some research and I like this T48S. Not only would I like for you to help me source where to get it from, i.e. VOIP Supply, could you also tell me what carriers support it? This, while it is older than the T56A, this T48S is more common just because it's aged well. Even though it's obviously, you can tell one is a little bit newer. It's a little bit more kind of sleek look. The funny thing is in my opinion, this one is a bit more elegant because it's obviously a newer, more modern body. Also, it looks like this supports Microsoft Teams and all that, and I don't think this one does, so it's also got newer firmware. But as I mentioned, this one has actually matured and aged better in the market. Also, this one tends to be compatible with more carriers. For example, at the time of this video, I know for a fact, this phone you can use with OnSIP, Vonage, Nextiva, and even RingCentral. This one, I'm not sure. I know you can use this one with Vonage. I'm not sure about Nextiva or OnSIP, but I think you may be able to use this one with RingCentral. The only reason I think you can use this one with RingCentral is because this phone here, the SIP T56A, is in the same family as the T54W, which let's walk over there, which is actually my phone that I use that I did a review on in a previous video. They're kind of in the same family. As you can see, the chassis are kind of very similar. I know when I first got this phone, the only mainstream carrier that I represent that supported it was Vonage. And recently, about 3 weeks ago from the time of this video, RingCentral has also picked up support for this phone. So I'm going to go out on a limb and say that I think RingCentral and Vonage probably support this T56A. But again, I'll find out when we do the individual review video on this one for you guys. So again, there you have it, the ultra elegant gigabit IP phone SIP T48S. This is a really popular phone, you guys. I've literally worked with dozens of clients that either, as I mentioned before in the video, had this phone already and contacted me looking for assistance to find the right VoIP service provider that fit their needs and budget, but also was compatible with this phone. Or they contacted me looking for a carrier that fit their needs and budget and asking me to either work out a deal with the carrier to get this phone from them or work out a deal with VOIP Supply to get one or more of these. The T56A, as you see over here, is definitely a newer phone. I think this is the newest generation of touchscreen phones that Yealink carries. They even have a variant of this that I have seen online that actually has a built-in freestanding like 1080p HD webcam on this thing, which is actually really cool. So maybe, fingers crossed, one of these days I'll get VoIP Supply to send me one of those bad boys to do a review on that for you guys. But it's basically this with literally an HD camera stuck to the top of it for video conferencing and Microsoft Teams and things like that, and so on and so forth. So there you have it, you guys. That is a quick unboxing from a mystery box of what VOIP Supply sent me over as the top 2 touchscreen phones for 2020. The ultra elegant gigabit IP phone T48S and the smart business phone T56A. Again, I'm going to do a separate video called the top 3 touchscreen phones for 2020. Now you're probably wondering, wait, there's only 2 here, Prince. I've got a surprise for you guys. I've got another touchscreen phone in here, which is yet to be mentioned, that I'm going to throw in that video as a bonus. So be on the lookout in a future video from us on that, which we're going to release probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So thanks again, guys, for watching the video of us unboxing this mystery box of touchscreens from VOIP Supply. As always, VOIP Supply sends this stuff to me to do reviews on, pros and cons for you guys, to keep you informed on what IP phones, hardware, accessories is out there. So if you're interested in the phones that you saw in this video, I'll have a link below to these phones, to both of these phones on VOIP's Supply's website for the new and also, if they have it available, certified refurbished version. Also, look out down there in the description for a coupon code from VOIP Supply that I'll have down there as well. That'll get you a deeper discount. Remember, if you go to them direct or you pick up the phone, just as a courtesy to me, let them know, hey, I found out about you guys through Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, or that's how I heard about these 2 phones. Again, if you found this video helpful, please like the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We release new videos every single week. Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business phone and internet service in the United States. I'll talk to you guys again in the next video.